Hi everyone! Welcome back to Easy Talk. 20 essential phrasal verbs for everyday English. Get up. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. Look after. Can you look after the kids while I'm out? Find out. I need to find out what time the meeting starts. Give up. He decided to give up smoking. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave. Put on. She put on her jacket before going outside. Take off. He took off his shoes when he entered the house. Run into. I ran into my old friend at the mall. Break down. The car broke down on the highway. Check in. We need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. Check out. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Look for. She's looking for her lost keys. Take care of. I'll take care of the arrangements for the party. Work out. He works out at the gym every day. Set up. They set up the conference room for the meeting. Get along. They get along very well with each other. Hang out. We like to hang out at the park. Break up. They broke up after 3 years of dating. Pass away. Her grandfather passed away last year. Settle down. He wants to settle down and start a family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video.